Starting your own business is a big step, but with Wolverhampton Markets incentive scheme, starting up needn't be a costly, high-risk venture. As a new business, you'll want to focus on building your customer base and developing your product line. One of our packages offering cut price or rent-free stalls will be one less startup cost to worry about. Many new traders started with the incentive scheme, like Jeanette Whitehouse, who began life at the market with 12 weeks rent-free.
It was something that I always said, if ever I open a business, I'll open a card shop. So after doing my market research and finding out what the competition was and what my margins were that I'd have to be working to, my husband and my two daughters started initially outside just trading as a casual on a Saturday. We got a lot of custom that way. And a lot of the feedback was positive that people wanted someone to set up selling cards. So I decided to pack in my career, what I was doing, and start up my own business. If you do your market research properly and thoroughly, there is opportunities, but you've got to find what people want.
It doesn't have to be a traditional market stall either. Maybe you can offer a service, or you've got a unique talent you could develop into a business, like local artist Marty Street, who started with the 12-week rent-free incentive.
I needed a store large enough to work from and to sell from, because it's like part studio, part shop. It was a big incentive that they offered me 3 months free rent before I actually traded, because I had a lot of stock I needed to get hold of. I needed to build up a customer base. You know what I mean? So that was a great help, you know, because it's a big step to go into self-employment, and particularly doing something that's maybe a little quirky, whereas if I'd have just started right away, there would have been a lot of financial problems. I could probably have weathered them, but it was good that I didn't have to.
And because we know it can be daunting, our experienced market staff are always on hand to offer advice and support.
I'd suggest that you take a small stall on initially, and then should your trade improve or you're doing quite well, then take advantage of the incentive rents, i.e. getting it to £10 on Mondays and Fridays by taking an extra stall on. But it's always best to see how you progress the first few weeks as a new trader. Obviously we're there to help you and try and locate you on the best possible position that we can.
And it's not just the market officers that can help. You'll find there's a wealth of experience from our existing traders and a really friendly atmosphere at our markets.
Really have a look at markets to start a business. It's a great opportunity, especially in a recession. I think people tend to come around markets, they're looking for bargains, they're looking for sometimes even bartering, which you don't get in a chain store. And it's a great atmosphere, traders are very friendly.
And now couldn't be a better time to start. With the economic downturn, markets are seeing a growth in savvy customers looking for a bargain. It's straightforward to get up and running, and in many cases you can be trading within 2 weeks from initial inquiry. So why not contact one of our market service team and find out which is the best package for you.